Ready? Hello everyone, my name is Akshay. I am fortunate to run as a IMC over 60s World Cup 2026. First time happening on the Canadian soil. There are 14 international teams. They are competing for the prestigious IMC over 60s World Cup. This is the third series. The first was in 2022 in Australia, second one was in Chennai, 2024, and 2026 is See, this is something different than like what people think about. Even this is a amateur cricket. The cricketers are highly competitive. They are 60 plus, they are inspiring to win. They are 60 plus, they are inspiring to win. They are 60 plus, whatever they do, they show the true intent to play the cricket, the game they love. And the best thing for everyone to know about this cricket is it's growing competitive every year after year. Initially, when in 2020-2023, IMC began their journey over 40s Sydney. After that, IMC has grown exponentially in all age groups. Over 40s, over 50s, over 60s, and over 70s. IMC is hosting all age groups of World Cup. Similarly, Canada also has replicated because the CCMC is a Canadian arm of IMC, as in we also have developed from coast to coast. We have over 40s team, we have over 50s team, we have over 60s team, over 70s team. And I'm incredibly proud to share with all your viewers that this particular seniors cricket is unstoppable. They are amateur cricket. This is a self-funded program. And our core objective is to promote healthy aging. And cricket, that's what we are using as a vehicle. You can imagine a player like Syed Tausif, his name is India, Mr. Kurban is and Mr. Naresh Jay, like he's 86. They are still coming to the ground and playing cricket like this and competitive cricket. Is that inspiring? Yes, it is. That way, like especially for the Canada, if all the seniors they come and play the cricket, right? They will continue to promote healthy aging. To play cricket, you don't have to just the physicality, you also have the mental strong. So this is what like the happening currently. Good job, boy! Come on, There are 14 teams here in Canada. On every day, 6 different locations we are like playing games. Total 15 matches will be played all throughout the tournament. Final is scheduled on 23rd of August. And today is the round 5 matches going on. So here currently as you see in the line like Canada and Pakistan, they are competing. On the other side of the ground, the Australia and the rest of the world is like playing. And then other 4 locations are in the South Carolina. This is how like the World Cup is growing and building a lot of momentum. At a community level, youth level, seniors level,
Where the final match will be played?
the final match will be played in North Ground of Wexford cricket ground. This is a great facility, and then that will be like a great.
So Cricket Canada or ICC is providing a little bit support to you?
So basically, see the Cricket Canada and ICC. The ICC they are running the mainstream cricket.
Oh, okay.
And same way like Cricket Canada is also running the mainstream cricket. And from the understanding from the IMC International Masters Council is running the show globally for the seniors. And CCMC is like the arm of IMC. So yes, we have the basics from like our national sporting organizations, all this. But like it is everything is about like the self-funded nature of the tournament. Our players are paying self-funding, and this is how like we are continuing to do this.
Okay.
How you are going to, have this timetable like every 2 years or every year, or how is these
Manage it.
tournaments going to be happen?
So see, every age group World Cup is scheduled every 2 years.
Okay.
So like the 40s, that was scheduled last in the fifth round.
Yeah.
Now the next one in 2026 is scheduled in the.
Okay.
Similarly, in 2024 we had over 60s World Cup in Chennai.
Okay.
Now 2025 we had more British World Cup in Sri Lanka, Colombo.
Okay.
Now 2027 we will be having in Hyderabad, India.
I see.
Like in 2025 we had the so 2024 we had like the Over-70s World Cup in England, UK. This year, last year, like we had like the Over-70s World Cup this year. Okay. In New Zealand, Christchurch. So every 2 years, like that schedule is like building up. And this is how like we like collaborate with every group to make sure that they get a fair chance to play. And
So CCMC is going to lead in every country, or there is other people who are going to lead?
So it's CCMC is a Canadian organization.
Okay, yeah.
Right? So we are promoting seniors cricket in Canada.
Local here. Yeah, okay.
Similarly, like in Pakistan, they have like PDCA.
Okay.
Similarly, like South Africa, they have their own board.
Oh, I
So
see.
every country they have their own board, and then all these boards, seniors cricket board, they are coming under the umbrella of IMC.
IMC. Okay. Yeah.
So likewise, when you use the analogy of cricket, you ask me about ICC and Cricket Canada. Similarly, IMC and CCMC.
Okay.
IMC and BCCI. So IMC and BCCI. Sorry, this BCI. So similar like that, every country they have their own board.
There.
So in Canadian team, you have some Pakistani players are also playing here. So next year, will they be joining you to go to the India because there is an issue of the visa?
So see, basically, look, I'm incredibly proud of our Canadian government. So, this Pakistan team sitting here, right? Their visa were delayed 3 times,
Oh,
right? But we continue to pursue that this is the image of cricket, they are image of cricketer, and like we work with the public leadership team, or like the member of parliaments and all, with their support. After the 3 denial, Pakistani team is here representing proudly Pakistan for the IMC. So I think like this is what like we are always looking at it. Similarly to your question, BCI, Western Cricket and India, they are currently working with the Indian government. And what I heard that the Indian government has like with some relaxation that like for the sporting events like all the international teams are allowed. So hopefully, that is ultimately the decision making authority is the foreign affairs. That is beyond our reach, but like we are continuing pursuing and trying on our.
Okay, I know when you are in a city hall, I was there, and you are just requesting and briefing the city council about your plans and everything before this tournament started. So, up to what level you are satisfied? The city of Mississauga, how behave you and how they are totally cooperative with you? And
That's it. I don't have any word to express my feeling and sentiment to praise city of Mississauga and the council.
Okay.
They have supported.
okay,
Without their support, this wouldn't have been possible.
okay,
And I must tell all the councillors and honorable mayor, right,
Caroline Parish.
she is incredible.
yeah,
And because of her support and the entire council support, and you were part of that deputation when we were there,
Yeah.
and they have like already offered the funding and all these like facilities that you see, the temporary infrastructure that we built, thanks to city of Mississauga. I can't thank enough them. The entire council.
Any message for the people who are turning 40, 50 next year? Any message for them?
So I say that guys, the game you love is endless opportunity. It is in your hand that you want to come, step up, go to ccmccanada.com website, register there as a player, and then you will be like appropriately put into that respective age groups, and then you will continue to pursue a life dream, incomplete dream to come to reality. So that is the message that I would like to give to all the players.
so have you also been playing cricket or you love cricket?
I love cricket. I play cricket too. I play over 50s.
Very good.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So thank you very much. Thank you.